We're out here doing range day.
Yep, you're ready.
It's gonna be good.
He still has to. It doesn't stay exactly.
Okay, get up there.
So if I don't touch the gun, I just look in.
So this is first time
Should be
shooting a
good.
rifle?
It's a little to the. It's just off to the right. Okay, we'll just dial it in. But here, go ahead and load it, because closing the bolt will move it just a little. Okay, going hot. I hope it changes your life. Just very gently. No, don't. Just kind of gently. Alright. Then bring it down. Okay. Now make sure it's all lined up again.
Ready to show us how it's done, Gary?
Make sure your ears are on, because it's going to be noisy.
Especially when you're that close to the
Dollar
gun.
says he's sharp.
It's just a matter if you got to get closer or
little
further
streak.
away.
Just a little
Come in, get
streak.
your cheek on the gun.
Just a little bit.
Keep your head as straight as you can. Okay, she's way right now. Okay, we'll just dial it in. Little south. Seems to be right there. Okay, so kind of grab it, hang on, make sure it stays on. When you feel comfortable, it's in the middle, pull the trigger gently, easy.
Jesus! What in the hell did you shoot that with?
Holy crap!
Jesus, Gary! What did you do?
Damn!
Alright.
You got the sweet spot.
You got it, man! Always open the bolt before you laugh.
I think you got it.
Yeah. Gary, what'd you do?
Damn, you shot lights out.
You're just supposed to hit the bullseye.
What was that all about? Think I got her.
Could you see it when you hit?
Yeah. She just exploded. What did you do?
Damn.
The prairie dogs won't do that, though, as far as we know.
Well, it'll be red.
They might.
Okay, I think you're good.
I think they kind of did.
Should we check?
See